If you are a WordPress and WooCommerce user who loves Canva, you are in the right place. Today I will be breaking down two tools, Iframely and DataPocket. By the end of this video, you will know which one is perfect for your workflow. As a brief overview, I will introduce what Iframely and DataPocket do, why this matters for your design and website management, and what you will learn by the end of this video. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. I'm here to help you grow your website business and to create more profitable business ideas, mainly on WordPress, and meet your goals. What is Iframely? Iframely lets you embed external content like YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or tweets directly into your WordPress or WooCommerce site. Iframely is an embedding tool that lets you pull interactive content from external platforms into your WordPress or WooCommerce site. Think YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or tweets. Everything displays beautifully and responsively. By the way, in my previous video, which I will link down below, I explain what is Iframely about in detail. In this video, I go step by step on how to embed into a WordPress site. So I recommend you check it out what I'm talking about. Let me demonstrate quickly how to embed a piece of content into a WordPress, a blog post. I have this beautiful landing page section designed on Canva, and what I want to do is to embed it and make the connection with my WordPress blog post. And to achieve this is pretty simple. Within your Canva editor, simply move to the Share button, then choose the See All option, choose the Embed option, and simply embed your design on WordPress. So just click to copy, and the Canva displays two ways to embed. Let me clarify between the two options. Canva Smart Embed dynamically syncs your designs with WordPress or WooCommerce, automatically updating any changes made in Canva. It supports animations, interactivity, and responsive scaling. So this is perfect for dynamic content like banners or sale promotions. In contrast, normal embeds are static, require manual updates, and are better for one-type use designs like logos or product images. For this demo, I will use the Smart option, so click to copy, and you head over now to the Iframely app and choose Canva from the domain list. You may wonder why using the Iframely functionality when, as we know, WordPress does support embed natively. WordPress supports embeds. Iframely, however, offers enhanced reliability, customization, and responsive handling, make it a better choice for embedding feature-rich Canva landing pages into blog posts. You then copy the Iframely code, copy the code. Now I will go to my WordPress site. I'm using the Green Shift page builder, and I will insert a new element and simply paste the code. And this works on pages or posts. And so, as you are seeing, the embed connection has been made in a few clicks without any coding. And so my key point is that while Iframely can integrate content into Canva, it's more about embedding external media rather than integrating WordPress or WooCommerce data. And for best use cases, use Iframely if you want to enhance your blog posts or website with rich interactive media from external platforms. What is DataPocket? DataPocket connects your WordPress or WooCommerce site directly to Canva. It lets you pull live data like product images, descriptions, and prices into Canva templates, creating up-to-date marketing materials effortlessly. You install the DataPocket plugin on your WordPress site. You open Canva and add the DataPocket app, and you import WooCommerce data into a Canva template to design a product flyer, for example. Best use cases: DataPocket is perfect for designing promotional graphics, product catalogs, or social media ads with real-time content from your WooCommerce store. I've made this comparison table. My conclusion is that Iframely shines for embedding external content into WordPress and Canva. DataPocket, on the other hand, is a game changer for WooCommerce users who need live data for Canva designs. So, how do you decide? If you are looking to embed a rich media into your WordPress site or Canva designs, Iframely is the way to go. But if you need to integrate your WooCommerce product data into Canva, DataPocket is your must-have tool. So, to recap, Iframely helps embed external content into WordPress and Canva. DataPocket connects WooCommerce data directly to Canva for seamless design creation. Both tools are powerful, but they serve different purposes. And so, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on WooCommerce, WordPress, and Canva.